How to use referral code on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use referral code on your Temu account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Temu account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged into your Temu account, in order to use referral code, all you have to do is just simply go to your purchase section and buy a product of your choice in order to use the referral code that you have got from your friend, family or friend. In order to use the referral code, all you have to do is just simply go to the use section from the bottom of the screen, and from there just go to the help center at the top right corner, and from there just simply click on contact us and start the conversation with the Temu help center. And after that just tell them that you want to use the referral code and how you can do it. So they will tell you the process of using the referral code, and I have asked them earlier, and it says that you need to click on the invite friend to cut the price on the event page, and after that just click on copy code to copy your code and share your code with your new friends or who want to use Temu. And after that just search for the invitation code to enter the event after your friend successfully downloads the application, and there will be a pop-up window that will say that the application of the referral code has been successful. So that's how you will be able to use referral code on your Temu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.